Started a little bit at the corner, but living here, the weeds are determined to take over, but I'm determined to take over the weeds. So order products needed. About to get all this moss up and see how it turns out. It's going to be worth the sweat. Get it looking like it was. Few areas need to touch up, but between the 3 weekends and husband helping me get all the last bit of water out, came out pretty good. So it's a few spots I'm gonna go over. It's still drying in some areas, but came out really good. So the products that was recommended on Amazon, it really works. Okay, this is 1 month later. Looks good, right? No weeds coming up. If it is, just a little bit. This main spot over here, thank goodness, nothing. What I still need to do is put the sealant down so that way it'll have a nice little shine to it. However, we're going to power wash first before putting the sealant down to get it like really clean. Like the first area I did, where I'm going to buy another, I think that's our lemon tree. We're going to buy another bed to go right here in the middle. It's getting cooler, so some of our greens and stuff are struggling right now, but we're just gonna start fresh and do over again when it comes to growing our food. But the lemon tree, the orange tree, the ginger, the onions, potatoes, they're growing good. So for first timers, we're doing good. But when it comes to the Lanai pavers, it was a major job. However, it's holding up for the first month of after it's been cleaned. But again, we're going to do another cleaning and then put the sealant down, and we should be good. So all that was recommended on YouTube actually worked, and I'm grateful. Sprayed is blue. We did some of the seashells, not realizing this is 3 40-pound of seashells, 3 40-pound containers. So we're going to switch up the idea, keep the seashells on the edge, and probably do rock behind the edge. So we'll see how it all turns out. Right now, it's time to seal these rocks. All right, I bring you to my helper. Thank you very much.
So, hi guys, this is my mom doing yard work to keep the weeds from coming up. So you can see there's blue stuff on the ground she's spraying. This is the rock glue to keep the rocks in place so it won't move. Say hi! Yep. And then as you can see, we did some cheese shells. So.
Yeah. We tried the plastic, it didn't work. Yep.
Whatever dust you have on there, just comes up in a little.
Okay. Alrighty. So we got the slates.
I'm not too sure if you want to close that.
Close it. It's dusty. Okay. Close it. Go. All right. Well, hurry. Watch it, Mom. Hurry up. Hurry up. All right, go ahead. We're on to our next challenge. Cover your mouth, Mom. Mom, cover your mouth and your nose. So that way it's... Alrighty.
Well, maybe I should go stand over there.
Not now. Mom, sit down, please. Grandma is silly. You had no business running across there. You had no business. So it's gonna go all right here. Slate. So we gotta get the blower too. Get the blower. So that's the first batch. We can handle that, right? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yes, we can handle it.
Maybe.
Alrighty.
They don't seem too bad though.
No.
What is he doing
Alright.
now?
Dumping the second batch.
Second batch.
Yeah, second batch. Dump the second batch. Alright. Let's see if it opens up. Here it comes. Here comes the second one. Here it comes. And all this we gotta put on the side. All this. Alright, so you and I, we gotta lay it out. Thank God we got the wheelbarrow that was given to her from Boys and Girls Club. And she's sweeping away, so protect our tires. She learned how to use a broom. What is it called? Sweep broom. Push broom. But we're getting it done. We're doing the side of the house. The front is done. The landscaping, we're going to put extra rocks around the trees and other palm trees. But she's getting it done. Looks very good. All right, so let's keep on pushing our wagon around the corner. All right, come on. Please, come on. We're going to come back. We got this whole pile. Are you going? We don't have plenty of time. We got like 2 hours to go. All right, this is where we're taking our wheelbarrow. We probably put some rock under here too. But this is what we wheelbarrowed around so far. And this wheelbarrow is helping because you literally just pull up and dump. Pull up and dump. Pull up and dump. So this is getting the job done faster. Don't know what's going on with that tree. But these are orange trees. We got another orange tree down there. Doing really good. Alrighty, let's keep dumping. Our next dump area. Alrighty. Alrighty. We're done for tonight until tomorrow morning. We can wrap it up. Prayerfully it don't rain. It's saying 45% chance tomorrow, but hopefully it doesn't rain. But we got all of it dumped, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say is yeah. So we gotta smooth it out, but all of it's dumped, clean up it, make it clean again. But so almost there, almost finally done. So looking forward to this task being completed. Alrighty. We cleared the driveway. And this bin, that bin. We got all this extra left, so we'll go around our front yard tree and over here. We'll use the great chips. And around palm trees. The little one over there. So that's pretty much our task. Now we're about to go smooth out rocks, the white rocks that we laid. All right, mama, let's go. That's done. We just gotta blow out. That's all glued down. We gotta glue this part down. We glued the seashells down. Yeah, it might rain today, so. But we gotta wash them off too. We gotta wash out the driveway. But this palm tree here, we'll put some gray chips around, but we gotta do the lining. This section here, we're gonna tackle that. That'd probably be all gray too. But the palm trees, we gotta smooth all these rocks out. Once we smooth these out, we're good. And just spray weed. Spray wherever it pops up and get our landscapers to cut in the back. But right now we're just about to smooth all these rocks out. And that complete our do-it-yourself landscaping. The way that we know it'll be done right. So let's see. Let's see what the end results will be. Almost done. All right, we pretty much wrapped up everything. We're just doing finishing touches. That came out very nice. Everyone that comes by compliments how well we did. And just again adding up the finishing touches, like wherever we see tarp. And just pretty much kick the rocks where they need to be so that we don't see tarp. But for our first time, I think we did an excellent job. Like right now, you see little black tarp back there, so we're just positioning the rocks to cover up. And pretty much finished our landscaping project, doing it ourselves.